Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your section in Squarespace. It's pretty easy, but I need to show you. So we have this some kind of pre-made template by Squarespace, but let's say I want to get rid of this section altogether. I don't really want to go through all the one by one deleting the photos and the other content. So on top right corner we have edit content, edit section, go up or go down, duplicate it or remove it completely. And as you probably thought, you just have to remove it. And just like that, you are without the whole section. You can go back by these undo and redo buttons. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.